for the weekend. This is Bart Moore in the little Lotus, the giant killing machine, up in third position as we ride on board with Bart Moore into the Southern Loop for the first time. What a brilliant job this car and driver combination has done this weekend. They are so fast.
Watch for him to push really hard in these opening laps, trying to take advantage of the cold tyre and really try and get up the inside. Here you can see down the inside, looking to have a run on the Lamborghini, but Weeksy shuts the door.
Welcome back to race one here at Phillip Island for the Vodka O Australian GT Championship. Riding on board with Bart Moore now. Still pushing very hard in the little four-cylinder Lotus. Oh, look at Weeksy, very late and very loose through the middle of Southern Loop.
Probably went in a little bit too hard, got the car out of shape, and that enables Barton to get a run on the exit. And this will be a clean move down into the Honda hairpin. Thanks very much.
And that brings the little Lotus up to third position for the moment. We've still got some pit stops to go. Coming down in the Honda hairpin. Oh, he almost went straight into the back of the Audi.
And Barton Moore's trying to get a piece of this action as well, going down the outside. Look, maybe Mark is starting to suffer from those softer compound tyres. It's still quite early in the race to be seeing sort of tyre problems, but maybe this is the point where Mark's starting to struggle, and Cricky's really trying to take advantage of that.
And this is such a great circuit for the big V10 Dodge Viper as well. As you can see, the gap already being built. On board with Bart Moore down into Honda. He had a fantastic view, and while these guys are battling, this is allowing him right in the mix.
And certainly that little Lotus, as this race goes on, is going to look after its tyres, and here we can see he's already starting to monster the back of the Audi, so he's really trying to take advantage of the problems that Mark's suffering. And there you go, little Lotus straight down the inside into turn one.
He was in the draft, and can you believe that a 1.8 litre turbo four-cylinder has just blown past an Audi V10? On board with Mark Eddy now. This is what he would have seen in the car. Left, right goes Bart Moore, and then all of a sudden